Hey flower folks, welcome to She Inspirations. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to ship cut flowers from your garden for Mother's Day or for any holiday, for birthdays, and so on and so forth. I'm going to be shipping these for Mother's Day. Something to keep in mind is the way the mail is going to go. You don't want to select anything that's going to take more than 2 to 4 days, maximum 4 days. Priority mail is best. If you do FedEx or UPS, that's also wonderful. Something else to keep in mind is the flowers that you choose. I have chosen calendulas and sweet williams because I have experienced shipping them before, and they not only ship very well, but on the other side last very long. And also daffodils and tulips ship very well when cut in the right stage. Also, you can do Dutch irises too. I have found that roses, for me, the bush roses don't ship very well, so I don't ship those anymore. Number two, something to keep in mind is the box. What kind of box you're going to use. This is a box that I have purchased something in at Walmart, and anytime I have boxes like these, I keep them. The size of this, what you call it, the length of this, I guess, if you want to say, it's 20 inches from here to here, and then height is 6 inches right here, and then this is also 6 inches. So this is a perfect box. Anytime I have something like these, I don't purchase them, but this is the size of the box. Also, because these are Mother's Day gifts, I have some hangers and some macrames back here that I'm shipping as gifts, and of course I have a card that I'm attaching. And on top of this, making sure that these are taped if you're shipping anything else other than flowers. If you're only shipping flowers, then you should be okay. This is a shop towel that I'm using for keeping moisture. This is already moist. My surface area was clean. The flowers already have the leaves from the stems removed, so I'm gonna go ahead and kind of create a stadium style bouquet, if you will, in a narrow way. I'm going to take these out. These have been hydrating. I cut them about 30 minutes ago, and making sure that they are well hydrated before you ship them is key to having a good, healthy cut flower shipment received on the other side. And guys, this will save you a ton of money from purchasing these from the online 800 guys, and plus you have the flowers from your own garden. So that's a win-win here. The only thing is sometimes for me, I learned trial and error, what ships well, what doesn't, and how to ship and whatnot. So I'm gonna go ahead and start from the tall stem, and I'm gonna go ahead and work my way, making sure that everything has a little bit of the wet surface area to make sure that they are going to keep well hydrated while shipping. And I think I already said this, but something to keep in mind is selecting the varieties that you ship. Sweet williams, in my opinion, ship very well. Not only do they ship well, but they keep very well in the vase on the other side, because I'm going to ship them and keep an eye on them, watch them like a hawk, of course. The calendulas, I have 2 colors. I have orange and yellow, and these do have a pretty good vase life. And of course, once the person, whoever is receiving them, receives them, they can arrange them in another way if they like. This is for the basically for the healthiest shipping, that they get there in good shape without too much damage to them. A little bit of wilt if it's too hot, like say you're in a desert area like I am, and it's 100 plus, then okay, it's going to be a little bit sad when it gets there, but they do pop right back, and it's not a problem. A lot of times some people prefer shipping dry flowers, and that's okay too. I personally prefer shipping them fresh, because that's to me is a way to go, instead of drying and shipping, because they are then brittle. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and fold my shop towel in kind of like a burrito, and go ahead and wrap it up like this, and I'm going to give it a Ziploc baggie. And I'm going to go ahead, actually this is too short, so I'm going to try a different bag, like this one. And what I'm going for is basically to keep the moisture in and not getting the entire package wet, because there's other items in it and you don't want everything else to get a little bit of wetness from this. And I'm going to go ahead and rubber band this like so. Okay, and here we have our box. I'm going to go ahead and sit them in. I will go ahead and put some more newspaper in here. This is what it looks like. If you remember if you've ever ordered flowers from the 800 folks from online, you would know that they do this. They actually set you some of the newspapers online like this on top of the box, and you're gonna go ahead and close the box, tape the box up, and making sure that your label goes here or wherever you want to put it, and sending it priority mail. And this does ship very well. I do this on a regular basis for birthdays and Mother's Day and holidays. I do grow flowers year round, so I hope you give this a shot, guys, and do tell me in the comment section how you like doing it and what are the flowers that you have had success with. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.